Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Good? How you doing, man?
Doing good, how are you?
JacobViral, I'm doing videos, so is there a way you can get in and give me info and all? You're pulling off?
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
And my name is Jarrod and I have watched you for years.
Really? Okay.
So I've got 3 XT415s, custom built by Roger at Crossfire. I have a Crossfire XT16K on 135 amp hours of C-Max with a custom built CES 300 amp externally regulated alternator. Man, this is kind of epic.
Oh yeah, did you build this into the vehicle with us?
Yes, so me and my best friend Cody Theriak with Better Built Boxes B3, okay. We've done everything to this car, me and him.
Very nice.
It's never been to a shop. Like literally, I've caught this car on fire 3 different times, trying to figure stuff out, but we have learned everything. I can actually get some sealed.
So do you know your specs of your enclosure?
Yeah, so it's 1.8 cubes sealed per sub. We're right at 5.62 around that area, sealed, and then it's a 2-to-1. So we're right close to about, well, it's more of a 2.5-to-1. So we're right at 14 cubes ported.
Okay. Nice.
But I'm currently building my extended cab truck. As soon as I get the flat wall done, this is coming out. We're gonna steel cage it to 6 liters.
Oh, okay. Wow. Have you done SPL on it?
I have. So it doesn't like burps very well. It only does a 159.3, but it does a 57.8 at 28 hertz on a minute average music.
That's good. All right, subsonic suicide.
Yeah,
nice.
So this thing really likes music. It likes slows, but whenever it comes to a burp, the car just doesn't like it.
Well. Okay. All right. There you go. It's up all the way. So frequency-wise, what is this liking with that door open?
So with this door open, I can play all the way from 22 to 65.
All right. Okay. I'm sure your goals on it you've exceeded, or are you not happy with it, or what are you doing?
For the 4th order, yeah.
Okay.
So the one thing about this build that I like the most is I've had this built for over a year.
Okay.
And I have not broke any equipment.
Hey, that's good.
So it's a consistent. I went from a center port to a bigger top port to this top port. Tried everything, but no matter what, like what Roger at Crossfire told me that it's impressive. It's not the numbers, it's the quality of the build and how often I can go to shows and show my build.
Yep. Yes, sir.
So awesome. I've got it set. It's wired at 0.67 on the new XT16K. I'm rising to 2.1 ohms on a burp, and I'm claiming 18,000 watts.
Woo.
At 2.1 ohms.
That's powerful.
And on a music average, I'm right at 14.5.
Cause
Nice bandwidth. Oh, you made me sneeze there. Awesome. Wow. Man. Really good bandwidth on this thing. Nice job. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, man.
Man, it was a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
It's an honor, actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.